Between the year 1950 and 1980, for instance, an architectural style emerged. Stripping decorative elements of a structure, the goal was to highlight the building's basic form and materials, which meant that the frame, mechanical systems, and structural supports were intently designed to be seen and celebrated. Thus, Brutalism was born. The term was derived from French words "brut", which literally translates to raw concrete. Brutalist architecture is all about honesty, truthfulness on the material used for construction. Nothing is tidied up and kept hidden underneath claddings and skins. The term brutalism was coined by the British architects Alison and Peter Smithson and popularized by the architectural historian Rainer Banham in 1954. It was first associated in architecture with Le Corbusier, who designed the City Haus in Marseille in the late 1940s. The unfinished concrete has been an important tool in shaping the Philippine landscape during the Marcos regime. The power couple of Ferdinand and Imelda saw how architecture can greatly influence and affect the image of a nation. And so behind the genius mind of the late national artist for architecture, Leandro Locsin, a series of brutalist structures were built.
Some key examples of brutalism in the Philippines. First is the controversial building because of its toilet form, known as the CCP or the Cultural Center of the Philippines, designed by national artist for architecture Leandro Locsin. It is a building established in 1969. The facade of the building is a huge block carried by the curved buttresses and the smaller block at the top. The building feels very heavy because of the huge canopy around the building. The ramp is in an octagonal shape which makes the structure look like a toilet from above. These are the curved buttresses on each side of the building. It has a smooth form but a rough texture, which balances out the intensity of the buttresses. The way the buttresses look from the ground to the canopy of the building feels comforting because of the color it has, which also blends to the color of the staircase. The last brutalist building is the Commercial Bank and the Trust Company building in Escolta, Manila, designed by Jose Maria Zaragoza. The building looks surreal because of its structure. The building's vibrancy makes it more lighter because of the concrete's color. The beams of the dome gives it a chic design and the contagious windows around the dome makes it more modern and futuristic. Decades ago, brutalist architecture was a symbol of soulless, gray, and crumbling concrete structures. It may have also been an everyday reminder of the Marcos regime for the Filipinos. But today, it is back in style. Brutalism is a reminder that architecture has the power to transform society.